Now, the rising cost of fertilizer is having a major effect on the horticulture industry in the country. The Agricultural Employers Association has said production and profitability are likely to drop this year as farmers grapple with the high cost of inputs. The industry is slowly recovering from the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Earnings from exports of cut flowers, fruits and vegetables rose 5% in 2021 from the previous year.
The horticultural sector is Kenya's third largest foreign exchange earner. The flower industry directly employs 150,000 people and contributes 1% of the country's GDP. The Kenya floriculture market is projected to register a compound annual growth rate of 5.1% during the forecast period 2022 to 2027. The sector was just recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, which disrupted supply chains, and the lockdowns led to a sharp drop in flower demand in Europe and Asia, Kenya's largest export markets.
Challenges that for the last 2 years on the issues of COVID, we have faced quite a bit in terms of the ability to transport these flowers to reach the market, the freight costs, the capacity in terms of the cargo space and all that.
According to the Agricultural Employers Association Chief Wesley Siele, farmers' profit margins is shrinking due to high farm inputs. That is likely to have a direct effect on workers' salary and wages.
We always have these challenges about also the cost of production, which keeps going up every time. And we always having these discussions with the governments about how else can we have the cost of production to be managed so that we are able then to give back to these employees.
The association is urging the government to intervene over the high cost of fertilizer and lack of cargo flight and capacity in the floriculture sector. Ciele spoke during the launch of the Dignified Opportunities program, which is meant to address workers' living and working conditions in the flower sector. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.